Welcome to MS class. Today again we'll discuss the topics relation, okay, of class 11. Already we discussed the basic concept of relation, the type of relations. So main type of relations is the reflexive. Main one, three things are there. Reflexive. When it is reflexive, all A belongs to A. If A is related to A, that is A comma A belongs to R, then the relation is called reflexive. Okay. Next is symmetric. When symmetric, all A comma B belongs to A, and relation from A to A. Relation from A to A. If A is related to B and B is related to A, then that is A comma B belongs to R. It implies we are getting that B comma A belongs to R. Then the relation is called symmetric. Next is transitive. What is transitive? If three elements are there, A comma B comma C belongs to R, belongs to A. Okay, this and relation is A to A. If A is related to B, B is related to E, it implies that A is related to C. That is A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, and it implies that we are getting that A comma C is also belongs to R. Then the relation is called transitive. And if a relation is reflexive as well as symmetric and transitive, that relation is called equivalence relation. What relation? Equivalence relation. So when a relation is called equivalence relation, if a relation is reflexive as well as symmetric and transitive, then it is called equivalence relation. Okay. Then the basic concepts, domain and range. What is domain and range? If R is a relation from relation, this A belongs to A, B belongs to B, okay, and A comma B belongs to R, then what is the domain? Domain is nothing but what? The element, the set formed by the elements of the first components of the order elements of the relation. Okay, that is R is equal to A, such that A belongs to A comma B belongs to R. That is called domain of R. Range of R, the set formed by the second components of the elements of the relation. Okay, that is called the range of the R. That means if we draw the diagram in this way, suppose this is A, this is B, and this part is related to this part, then this part is called the domain, and this part is called the range, but the whole set B is called the codomain. So we can say range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. Okay, and the relation can be represented by roster form. That means the elements can be written within the brackets, second brackets, an ordered pair separated by commas, and another is arrow diagrams. Okay, arrow diagrams. So these are the basic concepts of the relation. And another thing is relation R inverse. Relation inverse. What is that? R inverse is equal to what? B comma A such that A comma B belongs to R. B comma A such that A comma B belongs to R. That is called R inverse. Okay. So in this way you have to remember the things. Now see the question. What is the first question? Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined on this. This is the relation in which we define. We are defining that R is equal to A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A divides B. A divides B. First arrow diagram, then roster form, then find the domain, then find the range, then find the codomain. So relation is given R is equal to A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A divides B. A divides B. So A to A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. B is 1. Again A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here is the relation. This is R. This is the elements of first element is A, second element is B. A divides B. So 1 divide 1, so 1 is related to 1. 1 divides 2, 1 is related to 1 divides 3, 1 is related to 3. 1 divides 4, 1 is related to 4. 1 divides 6, 1 is related to 6. Now check with 2. 2 is it divides 1? No. So 2 is not related to 1. 2 is related to 2. 2 is related to 4. 2 is related to 6. 3 not divides 1 and 2, 3 divides 3, so 3 is related to 3, 3 not divides 4, so 3 is not related to 4, 3 is related to 6 as 3 is divides 6, 4 divides 4 only, 6 divides 6 only. So in roster form what we can write 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6. In this we have to write the answer. Domain of R, what is domain of R? Domain is nothing but the elements of the first set which are related, that is 1 2 3 4, all the elements are related, so 1 2 3 4 6. Range, the second elements, all the second elements are related, so 1 2 3 4 6. And codomain is nothing but what, the complete set B is the codomain, that is 1 2 3 4 6. In this we have to write. Okay, next one, see the next question. Define a relation R. Define a relation R on the set natural number n of natural numbers by R is equal to x such that y is equal to x plus 5, x comma belongs to x is less than 5. Condition is x is less than 5. Depict the relationship using roster form and arrow diagram. Write down the domain and range. Okay, so relation is what, x y such that y is equal to x plus 5, y is equal to x plus 5, x comma belongs to n, and condition is given x is less than 5. X is less than 5 means natural number start from 1, so up to 4, x is equal to 1 2 3 4. So if we take 1, x is equal to 1, so what will y, 1 plus 5 6, so 6. If we take x is equal to 2, what is y, 2 plus 5 7, so 2 is related to 7. If we take x is equal to 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. If we take x is equal to 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So this is the relation in roster form. And arrow diagram, just we will write the whole natural numbers we cannot write in this set, so just what are the elements we will get here, that elements we will write 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 we have written here. 1 is related to 6, 2 is related to 7, 3 is related to 8, 4 is related to 9. So domain of R is equal to 1 2 3 4, range of R is equal to 6 7 8 9. But a codomain is not asking here. So if codomain is asking, what will be the codomain? The second set is nothing but the whole natural number, so codomain of R is n. This is the answer of the second question. This we have to write. Next, last question, see. If a is equal to 1 2 3 4 14 up to 14, define R from a to a by R is equal to this. Condition is 3x minus y is equal to 0 for x comma y belongs to a. X comma y belongs to a. So R is equal to what, x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, x comma y belongs to a, this is given, and condition is 3x minus y is equal to y is equal to 3x, this is given. So if we write in this way, a is equal to 1 to 14, b is equal to the second is also this, so we write, if we write, now see, condition is y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 3x. If we take x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 is 3, so 1 is related to 3. If we take x is equal to 2, 2 is related to 6. If we take x is equal to 3, 3 is related with 9. And if we take x is equal to 4, 4 is related with 12. If we take x is equal to 5, y is equal to what? When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 into 5, 15. But we are not getting. So what are the elements? Mainly 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. And here what are the elements? 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the elements. Okay. So arrow diagram, how to write arrow diagram? This is the arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram. And R is equal to what? In roster form, R is equal to what to write? 1, 3, 2, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. This is in the roster form. Okay. And the domain, what is the domain? Domain of R is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then codomain of R is complete set of second set, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 14. This is codomain. And range of R, which are the elements associated with from the second set? 3, 6, 9, 12. So how to write? 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the answer. Okay. So in this we have to solve the question. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear a concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.